To access DegreeWorks, click on DegreeWorks Electronic Degree Audit and then click on the link for your campus. You will then be directed to the DegreeWorks main page. Here you will notice three main sections: student information, including current degrees declared, a menu with various auditing options, and the main section with details about your degree requirements. Since the primary function of DegreeWorks is to be able to audit the status of your degree, the main page shows the student view from the Audit tab by default. In the main area, you will see several pieces of information, including student and advisor information, declared majors and minors, and credits earned. Below that, the legend shows the symbols that appear in the audit, designating which classes and sections are complete, incomplete, in progress, etc. A degree progress bar shows an estimate of how much of the degree requirements have been completed, as well as an estimate of what percentage of the required credits have been completed. In a section that has requirements that haven't been completed, a list of classes will be shown that can meet those requirements. Moving the cursor over a course will show the title of that class, and clicking on that course will bring up a window with more information about that class, including the description, prerequisites, and the CRN and section with available number of seats left for the terms it is offered. When a requirement has been met, DegreeWorks will mark it with a green checkbox and list which course or courses are used for that requirement. Courses that do not meet degree requirements, as well as courses currently in progress, are located at the bottom of the audit. In-progress courses are also located in each section of the degree audit under the corresponding section. In addition, any notes added to your audit by the graduation office or your advisor will show up in the last block of the degree audit. Note that the cumulative GPA shown here does not include transfer work, excluded or repeated courses, and is not the GPA used for final honors calculation. The different available views allow you to see the same audit information but in a different format. For example, the registration checklist view is designed to help you figure out which degree requirements are still needed when you register for class. The What If tab allows students to see their degree status for any theoretical combination of majors, minors, and concentration areas. Just select the appropriate degree type and academic year and any majors or minors, and then click on Process What If to see the results. You can use the Look Ahead option to plan for future courses you will take. To do so, enter a course subject and number and click on Add Course. When you've added all the courses you want to view a degree audit with, click on the Process New button. A new audit will be shown with the planned classes. These classes will be in blue and will show up with PL as the grade received and planner for the term on the audit. Note that this is used only for planning purposes and does not automatically register you for any of those classes. Another feature of DegreeWorks is the GPA calculating tool, which can be used to estimate your GPA at graduation or for a given term. Note that all the information on DegreeWorks is unofficial and should not be assumed to be official transcripts, official degree audits, or confirmation of having fulfilled graduation requirements. This concludes the UAS tutorial on using DegreeWorks.